Hello everyone, I'm Robert Dean and this is DailyDollarNewsletter.com Weekend Edition. Review this week's articles about insurance. We all hate paying those premiums each month, but when you really need insurance, it can be a real lifesaver. Being a better informed consumer will help you to shop around for the best insurance policy that fits your personal needs and lifestyle. Check out this week's articles, which provide money-saving tips about auto and health insurance. Learn how to save on health insurance. Health insurance under COBRA is a lifesaver for many families managing their way through a job loss. However, COBRA does not last forever, and it is usually very expensive. Comparing the cost of a group health plan through COBRA to other private health plans is easier with online services such as Better Health Quote. Daily Dollar readers can click here for a free quote on health insurance from major carriers like Aetna, Humana, Assurant, AIG, and many others. On Thursday, we learned that extended auto warranties are not all created equal. When the warranty expires on a car, consumers have the option of purchasing an extended auto policy. The premium is based on the age and mileage of the vehicle. Cars are made to last these days, and some people save a lot of money on car payments by taking good care of their vehicle and driving them for many years after paying them off. An extended repair warranty can help protect vehicle owners from huge, unexpected repair bills. On Wednesday, in part 2 of a 2-part series, we learned how to avoid buying bad auto service contracts. In part 1 of this article, we revisited auto service contracts. These are extra insurance policies that some car dealers or the finance manager inform you about when you sit down to sign the paperwork to buy your car. Today, the focus is on what to watch out for when buying a used car. When shopping for a used car, look for the buyer's guide sticker posted on the side window of the car. This sticker is required by the Federal Trade Commission on all used cars sold by dealers. The sticker tells whether a service contract is available. It also indicates whether a vehicle is being sold with or without a warranty. On Tuesday, in part 1 of this 2-part series, we learned about how to avoid buying bad auto service contracts. When you buy a car, most dealers attempt to upsell customers into auto service contracts. These offers help protect against unexpected and costly repair work. Like any other offer, consumers should take the time to understand the terms of the service contract before signing on the dotted line. On Monday, we answered the question that so many people ask: should I decline extra rental car insurance? The salespeople at the rental car desk earn commissions for upselling you on their own insurance, so don't assume that they have your best interest at heart. Before renting your next car, take the time to talk with your auto insurance representative before you rent to find out what they cover when you rent a car. Next week, Daily Dollar wraps up National Financial Literacy Month with the return of our popular Free Week. 5 offers in 5 days to help you save money on your gift buying. With Mother's Day and graduation season fast approaching, our staff will find money-saving deals that all involve something for free. For the Daily Dollar Newsletter, I'm Robert Dean, wishing you great financial health.